Welcome back to the
Riche
Riley.
Wait, I'm sorry. Are we officially calling it the Riley Show now?
Yeah.
I mean, we all know Riley is the star of the show, but I did not know you were going to take over the intro. Okay, well, welcome back, everybody. Today, Riley and I are going to show you how to make
a tutu. Of course, I like tutus.
Yes, she loves tutus. For the past few years, I've made her Halloween costumes.
And this is a kind of mannequin. And then we just have a background so you can know how it's done in the finished. And then we have our canvas.
Okay.
Our spool.
Yes. Can I just take one quick break? Just say one thing and you can say everything else. For the past 2 years, I've made tutus for Riley for Halloween as the ballerina Misty Copeland, and those costumes have gone viral. And they all started with just this simple tutu that I started making years ago, and I want to share that with you guys today. So you can make your own tutus. These are for kids and adults too. And
and if you want to use an adult one, just get a bigger canvas.
Yeah. So we actually use the canvas to measure the length of the tutu pieces. Okay, so we knew that we wanted kind of a shorter tutus, but if you want yours longer, you can just use a longer book or a magazine or a piece of cardboard to make your tutu pieces longer. Okay, and then the other big thing we use is elastic. This is
pretty glittery.
Yeah, we use glittery elastic because we like to keep things a little fancy. So you're going to cut a piece of elastic that's just a little bit more than whatever measurement you take because you want to leave some room for the ties. And then once we do that, we're just going to tie it around. We use a vase today. Now, this is something that we had around our house. You can use a vase that you have at your house or any other object that you have that's similar in circumference to the waist measurement that you took. This is also a paper towel roll. You can use this as well. All you need is something that's going to stay steady while you add your pieces of tulle. And we used
3 things of tulle.
Yes, we used 3. Riley's a pink girl. She loves pink, so we used 3 different shades of pink. But if you wanted your tutu not as full, you could probably get away with 2, I would say, to be safe. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is show them how to cut the pieces using the canvas.
Can I do it?
I'll cut. You
cut.
Hold, okay? And essentially what you're going to do is just take your spool and just wrap it around. Okay? We're going to use this as a guide to cut so that all of our pieces will come out nice and even. All right.
And boom, you have it.
There you go. That's that's an extra piece we won't use, but these are the pieces we actually will use. All right, so the first thing you'll do after you tie your elastic around your vase or whatever you're using is you're going to take a piece of tulle and fold it kind of in half like this. I keep my finger right here to create a little loop. And then you're going to tuck it under your elastic like this. And you want to make sure the loop stays open because what you're going to do now is just pull your 2 pieces through the loop like this until you create a nice neat knot. Now you can adjust your knots. You don't have to make it super tight in the beginning, but this is essentially what the process is. Keep that loop open. Yep. Good. That was awesome. So we're just going to scoot it around here and we're just going to continue this pattern all the way around.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's going to be fun.
Yeah.
It looks like.
Yeah, it usually takes me about 30 minutes total to go all the way around. You think you can hang that long?
Yes.
All right, so this one is up next. You can follow us on Instagram at All Things Riche, and we will be debuting the costume, I think, on or about October 27th. So stay tuned to see what we've got in store for you guys this year. Only one clue, it will involve a tutu. Not this tutu, but it will involve a tutu. All right, guys, our DIY no-sew tutu is all done. I'm just fluffing it out. Riley, actually, I was going to trim it too. She said she didn't want me to trim it. She wanted me to leave it exactly as it is. So for you guys...
You can trim it if you want.
Oh, I can?
Yeah.
Okay, well, it's too late now. But if you guys...
if you want to trim it all by yourself, you can trim it all by yourself.
You totally can. You can totally take this tutu and make it your own. I started making these, when you were about maybe 2 years old, and she's now, well, by the time they see this, you'll be 6 years old, right? Happy early birthday.
Yeah.
So I think kids just appreciate the fact that you make this for them. So don't feel like it has to be.
October 9th.
Yes, her birthday is October 9th. I was going to say, don't feel like they have to be perfect. You can turn around. We just made this quickly in 30 minutes. Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, you're doing your pirouette. You don't need me. All right. But yeah. Try this at home. Let us know how it goes. You can stop now. Thank you. Let us know how it goes. Make sure you send us some pictures. Wouldn't you love to see their creations too?
Yeah, of course I will. Like we did last time for the fireworks, which we're going to do on the show next time. If you can't see in the background, that is our firebird costume.
Yes, I'll make sure we add a couple more pictures of your firebird costume just in case they missed it. But I hope you guys subscribe too so that you can stay up to date with all of the latest here at The Riche Life. Oh, thank you. You didn't take that away from me. You didn't do the Riley
The
Life.
Riche
Life. I knew it. Take care, everybody.
Or double.